Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad. It is Flip Through Friday, and I know it's been a minute, right? But I am so excited because I picked up Sticker Book. It is a collaboration with the Happy Planner and ZAE Wild, and she is a Utah artist and illustrator, and I just love her page and I love her artwork. And so I'm really excited to go ahead and flip through this and see some of her artwork inside of this sticker book. This sticker book does have 30 pages in it and is going to come with 513 pieces. So let's go ahead and start flipping through this. So we get some boxes with quotes in them, which I do love. This one says, "We rise by lifting others." And then we get some of the ZAE Wild artwork. This one I think is so cute. And then we get some of these little circle decorative stickers. Some of them have plans, goals, plans. And then next up, this one is actually going to be clear stickers with like copper or rose gold foil. I can't really tell too much on here, but I love it. It's really cute. Again, you get some of her artwork here with the little foil accents on them. You have this one says, "Dream, you matter in this world. Inhale, exhale, focus on the good." I think it's really cute. So you're going to get a mixture of paperback stickers as well as clear stickers. And these stickers are actually great in your monthly spreads as well as your weekly, but I like to use them sometimes in my monthly spreads because they have this little cutoff here that you can definitely just kind of lay on your monthly boxes, and you'll still have enough room to kind of showcase your numbers on your planners. And then you get set goals and crush them, think happy thoughts, little quote strips here. And then you get some more of these little get it done, the plan, and different colors here at the bottom too. And these are paperback stickers. And then we get some of the ZAE Wild artwork. These are really cute. I'm loving the butterflies. Those are really cute. The cute little mushrooms. And these are paperback stickers. Now these are clear stickers, and you get some of these florals here. These are so cute. I think these are actually go great in any planner for any season. I just love the color palette of this. Is really cute. This says think happy, be happy, and whatever it takes. I love these. Look, do y'all see this girl? Like, look at her floral hair. That is so cute. Love that. All right, and then we get some to do, later, plan, and appointment stickers. All right, next up is paperback stickers. You're gonna get some colorful circle stickers here with some artwork in the inside of it as well. Great for layering and clustering stickers. You can also use these as well right in like appointment times. Maybe like checking it off. If you did make this into checklists, you can check those off inside those boxes. Next up, we get some of these full boxes that have quotes and artwork in the inside. This says, "You are wildly capable of amazing things. It's a good day to have a good day. Trust in your soul. What is meant for you will find its way. So very good, and time to celebrate." Love that. Then you get some more colorful boxes. You get some smaller ones, and you get some bigger ones as well. And then you get some of these checklist boxes in the center. And then these are actually clear stickers, and I like these because these are like different plans and different little headers that you want. And so this one says, "Oh, how lovely. Self-care time." Let me bring it up a little closer. Self-care time. This says, "Now or never." This says, "Vacation." Pencil it in. Celebrate. And then on the sides you have, "Hooray, you did it." Hashtag "get it done, one day at a time." You got this. Pajama day, pajama day. And then again, it starts repeating itself here, but it is like in the different colors or color boxes. Next up are some more colorful boxes. I love these. These are like giving me like fall, winter type vibes, but I'm loving like that dark brown color, coral color with some rusted brown and like the little soft colors here. Really cute. This says "get it done" and the plan, and you get it in different colors here. Then you get some more of the colorful boxes. These are great for like the sidebar if you want to add these to your monthlies. Great for adding on your sidebar to your planners and then making a list, or even doing like some highlights for the month. And you get some of these journaling, I call these like journaling stickers because they have like the little lines in here for you to write on. But you can definitely write on all these stickers except the clear stickers. But the paperback stickers you can definitely write on there. And then you get some of these floral wreaths that have quotes in the inside. This one says, make every moment count, new season, fresh start. Today was amazing. Make good use of today. There's always a way. Think happy thoughts. Share a kind word today. And then seek beauty in all things. So this can actually be where you can maybe use this in your weekly plans as something that you may want to do each day. Like a little gratitude challenge or something like that. Then you get some more of these. These are actually clear stickers, and these are more of the ZAE artwork here on clear stickers. This one is so cute. I love that. Then this one is paperback stickers, grow today. Cute little llama, so cute. And then you get some more colorful boxes. Of course, you can journal in, highlights, do highlights of the day, the week, or the month in these as well. Almost like memory keeping. But definitely it's your planner, so you can write whatever you want in those boxes that will help you stay productive. Then you have some more of these quote stickers that says, so perfect, work smarter, not harder, Saturday, Sunday, repeat. I do definitely need to have that on repeat. And then we get some more colorful boxes here. And these are paperback stickers. You get some more of these boxes. I'm loving colorful boxes, y'all. Like, I love them a lot. And then you get some of these time to rest stickers, and this one says, actually this one, these two says work it out. So this one says time to rest, time to plan. This one says work it out, and then it repeats itself here. Some more colorful boxes, but of course we get our cute little llama and butterfly and little mushroom on the boxes. I think they're really cute. And then you get the little mushroom, and then of course you get some checklist tabs there. Some more bigger colorful boxes, and these actually have like little floral on the bottom corners of the boxes, but still enough room to write. And then these are clear stickers, and this one says my sweet life, my kind of day, good times, get it done, family time, just breathe, hello weekend, and shine bright. Then you get 3 foiled checklists here in the center. Then you get some more foil boxes. I love these too, and this is a great addition to give your spread a little pizzazz, a little pop. Definitely able to use these foil boxes to, you know, make a plan pop out in your planners. You can definitely use that. And then you get some more of these. These are actually clear foiled stickers, but these would be great to add and overlay on top of stickers and boxes in your planners. Then these are, yeah, so this looks more rose gold, like rose gold foil. Clear stickers as well. Look at that, it's just so beautiful. Beautiful. All right, and I think we're coming up to the end, but of course you're gonna get some more. Yes, foil boxes. These are rose gold boxes, and these rose gold is like beautiful. I love it. It looks really, really good. Has that nice color to it, but of course you have to hit the lighting just right to get the color and the good effect of it. But these are all foiled boxes. Absolutely love it. All right, and then we get some of these half circle stickers here with little floral accents in there, and then checklist boxes, paperback stickers. These are clear stickers here. It says work hard for your dreams, ready for the day, goals, such a good day, reach for your dreams, you are limitless. Love, 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 love these. I love how you have a little watercolor in the back with the little silhouette of like little floral stems and flowers. Those are really cute. Then we get some more clear stickers with quotes and also artwork. Be brave. Today's goals will be crushed. You are strong and brave. You are beautiful inside and out. And I'm loving all the little girls here. Really cute. All right, and then last but not least, you get some more of these rose gold sidebar boxes. I call them sidebar boxes because they are great for the sidebar, as well as like any planners as well. You can put these in, but they're rose gold. You get some more of these square boxes here, and then you get some of these little header stickers with butterflies in them. Really, really cute. Oh, I have one more page, and then we get some more of these stickers here. These are paperback rose gold circle stickers with foil accents on them. So again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Flip Through Friday. If you enjoyed sticker book flip throughs and getting a chance to see some of the items that I pick up and add to my collection, definitely go ahead and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here and you enjoy videos like this, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can see more videos from me. And I will see you guys back at my tea party. Thanks for watching.